How to fix Minecraft Bedrock Edition cannot join world. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can also try restarting your router or switching networks to fix the problem. If not, you want to make sure that you are signed in with the correct Microsoft account and sign out and sign back in if needed. If that is still not the case, you want to go to xbox.com/status and make sure that everything is up and running. If the servers are down, you might just need to wait. If that is still not working, the world owner may have set the permissions to friends or members only and ask the owner to invite you or change permission. Always keep in mind you will need an open NAT type, which gives the best connection. You can call your ISP to change it if you want, and everyone must be using the same Minecraft version, by the way. If nothing works, try restarting your Minecraft or even contact help.minecraft.net. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.